In this episode, we're touring Celebrity Beyond in December of 2025. The captain allowed the veterans group a tour of the bridge, which was conducted by the staff officers. This was appreciated by all the veterans. I'm JD, and along with my wife Chris, we are the Casual Cruisers. On this channel, we'll bring you ship tours, port tours, and information on excursions and other activities. We hope you find our channel enjoyable and informative. If you do, please click the like button and consider subscribing. Now, let's cast off on the next adventure with the Casual Cruisers. A quick tour of room 7210, which is the inside cabin next to 7208, which is a magic carpet balcony room. It's a square due to being outboarded near the magic carpet balcony as opposed to the traditional rectangular shape. That white facing is the door to the cooler, which is not a refrigerator. This closet, along with the dresser and the bedside closet, which has drawers and some shelves, as well as the valuables safe, provide ample storage for your clothing. The Edge class has the power box on top of the desk or dresser, and it has 2 US plugs, 1 European plug, and 2 USB connections, and a sliding work area that can be pushed closed to have more floor space. There's an extra outlet and a couple USB connectors, but only on one side of the bed. The lights and AC are controlled by a touch panel electronic pad and have multiple settings. And here we have your standard interior cabin bathroom. It has ample counter space as well as some storage for your hygiene items. And here's the shower. It has a door as opposed to the clamshell or the curtain of the smaller and older ships. I'm 6 feet tall and I fit into the shower without any issues. Starting in the theater on deck 3 forward with a view from stage center. You can see the balcony seating on decks 4 and 5 from here. Moving aft is the Martini bar in the Grand Plaza. Next we see the layout of guest relations, which is different from most other classes of ships. Edge class have 4 separate main dining rooms, also called the MDR. Tuscan is Italian themed and Normandie is French. Both are on deck 3 aft. All 4 MDR have similar layouts as seen here in Tuscan. There is a classic section of the menu with steak and chicken available in each MDR. Deck 4 has Cosmopolitan with American-style fare and Cypress with Mediterranean-themed food. And here's a view of one of the MDR on deck 4. Again, similar layout, maybe some different style furniture, however, the same general idea. Moving forward, you next come upon Craft Social, which is a sports bar, pub, gastro bar with some additional food items that are an additional charge, but it is not a full specialty dining experience. Then comes Le Grand Bistro, which hosts Le Petit chef. It's a specialty dining option that projects a show on your table while your food is prepared. You can see some of the menus for Le Grand Bistro and the Le Petit chef. And here is the standard menu for Le Grand Bistro. Le Voyage is a specialty dining option inspired by Chief Chef Daniel Boulud. Cafe El Bacio is the specialty coffee spot on the ship, but the food is free. They have different items throughout the day, from morning pastries to afternoon wraps. However, the coffee does cost extra. Here's a view of the theater balcony on deck 4. Deck 5 aft is the entry to Eden. If this is your first time going into this area, it could be confusing due to all the glass and mirrors. It's not readily apparent that there is an exit at the far end. As you come out of the entryway, you'll see a chocolatier stand on your right, and then if you turn around to your left, you'll see Blue Restaurant. Blue is exclusively for Aqua Class guests. Then on the left is Mankind, which is a higher end shop as you can see by the items available. Entering Eden, you can see the seating area and the cafe area. The cafe is open on C days and in the evenings. There's also an outside sitting area, and as we come back in through the cafe area, we head up the spiral ramp. Along here are some different seating areas with nice views, and you can enjoy this quiet area. Forward of Eden is Raw on 5. This specialty restaurant serves sushi. Fine Cuts is another specialty dining option, which is the onboard steakhouse. Here's a view of the menu and of the seating area inside the restaurant itself. And here is the world-class bar, which is also on Deck 5 near the Grand Plaza area. On Deck 5 is an area called the Club. This is a multi-purpose venue and used for various activities during the day, and then at night it transitions into a club and bar. The Mast Grill is outside the Solarium on Deck 14. They serve hamburgers and hot dogs on embarkation day as well as sea days. Here's the main pool area on Deck 14. This is a shot during the day, and here you get to see it as it appears during the evening and nighttime. The Magic Carpet is a cantilever space which hangs over the side of the ship, and that's that bright orange item you see on the side of the Edge-class ships. This serves as a specialty dining option, a bar, and the tender deck for ports which require tendering. We jump from Deck 5 up here to Deck 14 as Decks 6 through 12 are all staterooms on the Edge-class ship. Here's a view of the Martini glass hot tub up on 15, and next we'll also see the Solarium. The Solarium is an adults-only area, but they do allow teenagers 16 and up in the area as well. On Deck 15, you'll find two infinity pools which are side by side and have great views over the side of the ship. Right next to the infinity pools is the rooftop garden area. The rooftop garden grill is another specialty dining option, and it has a sunset bar directly behind it for great aft views. The rooftop garden is a quiet sitting area with a big screen for movies at night and shows during the day, sometimes football games. This feature replaces the lawn club on the S-Class ships. Here is a walkthrough of breakfast in the Ocean View Cafe, which is a buffet on celebrity ships. In the future, I'll post a separate video of the Ocean View Cafe with a lunch walk around and other views of the venue. We hope you enjoyed this ship tour of Celebrity Beyond. If you found this video informative or enjoyable, please click the like button and consider subscribing. Bon voyage until our next adventure with the Casual Cruisers.